Hi everyone, this is Maria from the PlantIn app, and today we have a spooky video for you guys about how to DIY a little bit scary and creepy Halloween planters for your home. Some of the ideas are really easy and quick to make, some are a bit more complicated but much more fun, but I'm sure that everybody will find something that fits them and something that inspires them. So here's a little bit of examples. We're gonna make this pumpkin boy that's a hanging pot over here. We're gonna make some doll that you can put plants inside of the hat on top of it, and a few more others that you can see right now on the screen. All of these were much fun to make, so let's get started. We will be starting with the easiest one and the quickest one to make. And for this one, all you need is a plant and a scary Halloween mask. You're gonna put the mask on the plant, and you're done. The best part of this DIY is that you can make really a lot of them in a really small amount of time, so if you're in a rush, this DIY is perfect for you. The second one is also on the easy list and on the least time consuming. It's a spiderweb plant. For this one, you're gonna need some spiderweb, either fake or maybe real if you're spooky that way, some fake spiders or anything else that you find creepy to put on a plant. First step is to wrap the plant in a spider web, and the second one, put the spiders and everything else creepy that you have in. And that's it, you're done. The third DIY that we have for you is a scary teeth pot, and this one is already on the slightly more complicated step. What you're gonna need for this one is get a plant and wrap it in something black. I found this something that's probably was a kid's skirt in a thrift store, and it ended up working really fine. So wrap it around the plant and use hot glue to secure it in place. Next, I'm taking some vampire teeth and hot gluing them onto the pot. And after that, I also decided to take some ropes and wrap it around the pot and the plant itself to tie the whole thing together, pun intended. And it still felt a little bit not done to me, so I started painting an eye in between the teeth and some red blood around it, and it came out pretty great. The fourth one is a spider pot. So for this one, we're gonna be making a real spider. I'm joking, we're not. You will need a plant, acrylic paint, and main material are the straws that we will be making the legs of the spider off. Paint the pot black and wait for it to dry. Next, I also painted a bunch of eyes on it. And after that, you take the straws and cut them to the correct size, bend them, and start hot gluing onto the pot. I made 5 of legs on each side of the plant. To add some more details to it, I went with black spider web around it. And that's it. Now let's move on to the spookier and more fun DIYs to make. This one is gonna be some creepy babies and a bottle doll. For this, you wanna grab some baby dolls, acrylic paint, and little plants. For the first one, I will be making its body into a pot. So just cut a hole in the middle, take some of the stuffing out, and put the plant inside. And now to the decoration part. After that, I'm gonna go with the acrylic paint and make it scarier by adding some black and red on the face and on the clothes. And this one is done. For the second one, what you want to do is take the head of the doll and cut a hole on top of it to be able to fit a plant inside. After that, I need some structure for it to stand on the bottle right and not fall off, and I went with a bunch of plastic straws that I put in the head, through the neck, and inside of the bottle to make it stand on it. And after that, they also ended up creating additional character on the top of it for the overall DIY, and I liked it. Next, I'm painting again on it with black and red acrylic paint and put some more plants in, and it ended up being actually one of my favorite projects in this video. And a side note, it looks really cool if you take some of the plants that are growing long and thin. The next DIY that we have is a half dog pot. And for this one, you need an old stuffed animal that you no longer need and are ready to cut in half. And after that, you're gonna need to take some of the stuffing out of it to be able to fit the plant inside. When the plant is inside, I'm using some spiderweb around it to spice it up, and again red and black acrylic paint to add some more Halloween character to it. And for additional scary points, you can take a stick and put it into the plant and then put the dog's head on it, and again spice it up and give it some more Halloween spirit with black and red acrylic paints. This ended up looking really creepy on my staircase, and that's basically what you want to get for the Halloween. The next is a freaky baby succulents garden. For this one, you're gonna need a water pot, some succulents or other type of plant that you prefer, a baby doll, some candles, and creepy stuff to put inside. I decided to go with the zombie hand and some spiders. I also used a black trash bag to cover the pot and make it black. So first, I'm gonna make the pot itself. I'm gonna wrap it in some black foil, add the soil for the plants and the plants by themselves, and after that, I'm putting all of the additional things inside. The baby, the candle, the hand, the spiders, maybe you want to put something else. It's all about what you like for the Halloween spirit. And I also decided to make the baby more scary and painted it with black acrylic paint on its face, on its head, gave it a little bit of scratches, and that's it. And the last, but definitely not the least, is the pumpkin boy. The materials for this one is a Halloween kid-size romper. Next, you're gonna need some ropes to make your plant a hanging pot, some old sneakers, and acrylic paint. The first step in this one is to macrame from ropes a hanging pot. You can use basically any YouTube video tutorial on how to do it. That's how I did it. And after that, you're gonna put the romper on the pot. Mine stays on with some like sticky things that it has, but also you can use some hot glue gun and glue it to a place to have more security that it's not gonna fall off. After that, I'm filling some of the inside for additional volume and attaching the sneakers to the bottom of it with a rope and covering the pumpkin eyes with some black acrylic. And that's basically it. Go and hang it somewhere around the apartment or your house and get tons of compliments on it. And this is about it for this video, guys. We have some more ideas on our blog, so the link will be down in the description box. Make sure to check that out. This video was much fun to create. Let us know in the comments if you tried some of the DIYs and how it went, which ones were your favorite, and don't forget to share them with friends so they can DIY something for their house as well. Don't forget to check out our app about how to take care of your plants. The link is also down below in the description box. This was much fun. I had a great pleasure seeing you guys here today. Have a great Halloween. Have a great rest of the day. If you like this video and you would like to see more of them, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell notification icon. We will be super happy to see you back on our channel. This was Maria from the PlantIn app, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!